Hi, I'm Veronica Tracy Smith, and this is a little teaser for our summit for October 8th through October 13th. We're going to have 2 to 3 video interviews for you to watch, and that is going to be hosted by myself. I'm going to be doing the interviews, some in person and some through Skype, and also Debbie Della Cuesta, who is the co-founder with me of Raising Consciousness Now, will be doing some interviews. And all of these interviews are free. No one is selling anything. There will be nothing at the end of any video that says buy my stuff, okay? This is all from our own generosity, but it's really about making changes on this planet. It's about how we are working in the world, raising consciousness, what consciousness raising means to each of us, and how we're working in the world to raise consciousness in our place of employment, in our lives, in our relationships, in the system, whatever system that is that we are in, okay? So from leadership, executive coaches, in the work world, in the business world, to a lawyer, to psychologists, to therapists, to authors, to body workers, all of it will be there for you to watch these interviews. So we love to share them with you. Join us October 8th through the 13th. If you're not signed up for the Raising Consciousness Now email list or for the Consciousness Now, they're one and the same list. So sign up at either one of those, consciousnessnow.tv or raisingconsciousnessnow.com. You can sign up and you can get all the notifications, and we'll let you know when each interview is coming out. And it's all about making it a better world. So go out there and make it a better world in your own corner of the world. Thank you.